I've been thinking about.
So first thing you see on the left when you go into my bedroom is actually this clock, and I get so many questions from it, but it's actually from Amazon, and all the individual things are mirrored and they just stick on the wall, and I think it's really pretty to fill up the space, so I do really like that, especially against the grey walls. And then underneath I just have this bookshelf where on the top row I just have some pictures and things like that. I also have that red folder which is filled of secret things, and like my money box, some things from America last time I went, and just all really pretty things like that. Then further down I do actually have some books, and then on the bottom I have a little quote thing saying follow your dreams, because you totally should. I have some pictures, and then I also have some trophies. And then here is actually my filming lights, which I do film against, so I always move the bookshelf out of the way and film, which is pretty cool. And then these are my wardrobe doors, so they're half white and half mirrored, and they are built into the wall, so they just slide. And then here's my clothes on the end of my school uniform, and then I have everything else, which is just whatever I want to wear. I have a slight clothing problem, so I buy way too many clothes, as you can see here. And then top shelf in here is all mostly schoolwork, fun times, and then on here is like beauty sort of stuff, and the bottom shelf is obviously prosthetic legs, because just amputee things. You know, if you know, you know. And then finally I have a bin here, and I low-key chucked everything that I own in there before I filmed this video because I'm a mess. And I also have my ball for my physio. So now this is my bed. It's one of them 3 side beds. I literally can't remember what they're called. And I just have so many cute cushions. So I have some from Next, some from New Look, Debenhams, and all sorts of things like that on the end of my bed. I just think this makes it look really cool. I also have a book and my Beats Solo 3s. And then my bedding is really cute. It's got little butterflies all over it. And yeah, I think it's really cool. Doing a really long close-up of this bedding. And then as a bedside table I have this really cool cupboard, which I think is really, I don't know, I think it's quite cool. It has loads of rubbish inside it, so I'm not going to show you inside. And on the top of that I just have something with quite a lot of skincare products in there, and I also have my iPad. And on the floor I have this really pretty and really fluffy purple rug. I just thought, since as my floor is wood, it'd be quite cute to have a little rug on. This is me demonstrating the depth and softness of this rug. Then on my window ledge I have a light up eye, because my name's Isabelle. I have a pretend plant. I have something to do with New York, like a little glass thing, and I also have the liners for my prosthetic arms, which I'm getting soon. And I also have a little French bulldog, because I do have a French bulldog, so I'm going to have a pretend one as well. Then I have a snappy director board thingy, whatever they're called, and then I also have some more trophies on here that didn't fit on the bookshelf, because I have a lot of trophies, I guess. And I also have a fan, because if you didn't know, I get really hot really easily. So there's a fan, and there's a messy floor. Yay. And as well I have a tripod, because I was about to film after this video and I couldn't be bothered to put it away. And on the side here I have some books that have like YouTube notes in. I have an iPhone box because I just bought a new phone. I have a light box that says my name on it, because I'm really vain, jokes. I have a light up arrow, and I have this really cool mirror which is from the range, and it's got all leopard print around the outside, and I have a Urban Outfitters picture of me, Josh and my friend Neve, and then I also have a picture from the Pride of Sports Awards of me and my whole family. I think it's really cool to have these like Polaroid-esque pictures around there. So then on the right of my desk I have a pot of pencils, I have some makeup brushes, I have a really cool light which I'm showing you now. It's one of them automatic ones that turns on and gets brighter, and it's of a city, I think it's New York, but it's really really cool. And then I also have this makeup organiser which has 2 drawers full of makeup, and then the top is full of makeup. If you'd like me to go in more depth of how I store my makeup, then just let me know. And then I also have a light up mirror so I can see my face when I'm doing my makeup. And then on my cupboard I have this really pretty drawing stand which has loads of necklaces hanging from it, and then it also has loads of earrings, and along the bottom I have my little selfie thing and this cute heart. But yeah, I have loads of really cute necklaces. Here's me trying to demonstrate but it wouldn't focus, so like bear with. It focuses, I promise. There you go, so these are a few examples of some necklaces I have on there, and there's some pen that's telling me to remember to do something. Next to that, I have my hay fever tablets because I'm like strongly allergic to pollen. It's a little bit ridiculous. So, going at it, jokes. And then I have a few perfumes. I have the Midnight Sage from Pink, and I have Miss Dior by Dior. They're both really nice. And then I have a collection of sprays from different brands. So this is the Pink Fresh and Cleans body spray. I have the Victoria's Secret blush spray. I have the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction spray. I have the Bath and Body Works Ooh La La Bonjour Paris one, and I also have some fake tan. And then straight opposite the door I have this hashtag hook, and it basically just has all my school stuff on it, so like my tie and my bag, just so I'm like super organised and prepared to leave in the early mornings. And then I have a really cool mirror on the wall which is like glittery and really cool for outfit of the day, so follow my Instagram, you'll be seeing photos on there really soon probably. This was such a requested video, so I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all next Saturday with a brand new video. Bye guys!